Okay. Or don't look when you cross the street, that works too. One hander on the corner, maybe? What? Oh shit. Bro, I'm so stoked right now. We're about to go shred. Scotty boy just hit me up. He said the bagger's done. Stunt parts are all installed. Y'all know Scott, you know, he's got that black FZ and the purple bagger. So he's been putting a bunch of money into that bike, stunt parts. He said the bike's done, and he's about to head out to go try to get this thing at 12, bro. I'm going right now. I'm gonna go swap out for the 450 so I can film him, and so I can ride. What is that?
It's a 530 chain. See.
Suspension, upgrade swing arm to be beefier so it didn't snap in half.
Yep.
Chain drive.
Yep.
Exhaust.
Yep. Intake, bigger carb.
Intake and carb.
Bigger jets.
And bigger jets. And it's a 2000 Road Glide?
Yep.
2000 Road Glide, yeah. Alright. Or it might have been previously. So here it is, guys. This is the bike I was talking about. We got Scott with us right now. This is his 2000 Road Glide that he's put a bunch of work into. Like I said, they did a chain drive, rear suspension upgrade, front suspension upgrade to lift the front end a bit, bigger car, bigger intake, if I'm forgetting stuff, jets. He's done handlebars and levers and just all the stunt part stuff. So it's taken him a while to get all the parts together and put the bike together. So this is actually the first time that today's gonna be the first time he's gonna go try to do a wheelie on this thing with all the new parts. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm sure he'll be able to do it. Got it. Oh shit. Oh, she came up so good. Yeah, Scott is a super good rider. So I knew that with these upgrades, like the bike's set up properly, that he'd be able to get it up. I guarantee if our spot's open, he's hitting 12 today, I promise it. Holy shit, bro. So dialed. Oh shit. And this was my concern. So yeah, pretty much our stunt spot is a no-go.
That's not possible. I can't believe the wheelie. It was like pretty up there, wasn't it?
You were like all the way up there. You were like.
It still wasn't balance point though, because I ran out RPMs and then it came down.
If balance point is like here, you were there. Like you were there.
Dude, that was. I gotta get rid of this.
So sick, dude. obviously that spot is not going to work today. I'm thinking, that spot honestly was like the perfect spot. Like that spot was like the best spot ever fucking built. So I'm hoping in the future, even after they build stuff there, that we'll still be able to go there and it'll still work. But for right now, obviously it's completely screwed, that spot is. So we're gonna go to another spot over here that should work out pretty good. It looks so unbelievably good.
I cannot describe it. It is literally like wheeling a car.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it though.
Bro, it's so easy. Like, you don't even have to try. That's like the coolest thing I've done in my life. Fucking A. I can't believe how easy it comes up. You don't even have to try now.
Are you
like,
stoked?
I'm so stoked. It's pretty cold out here. One of the most well-balanced bikes I've ever ridden.
That's really funny. Well, apparently we got some people out here. We got Mick, and I think the other guy is Jonathan, is his name. I'm gonna kill my bike doing that. Did you touch? Oh shit, you did.
It's still there. I know, it's still warm.
That footage is gonna look so good, dude. You got,
So smooth.
you got like,
Figured out how to see. You just gotta look around.
look what?
Put your head way around.
You got like, I don't know, 3 or 4 scrapes.
Dude, there's no way that's like I'm scraping before 12. Scrape's so smooth. Like it's the weirdest thing.
Yeah, I'm sure you can go much further back than you think.
It's not at 12. I feel like I'm like
right, guys, we are done for the day. It's super cold. It's like 30 degrees or less, but I just want to thank everybody that supports the channel in whatever ways, whether that's liking the video or subscribing, sharing, whatever. You guys are awesome. If you guys like what you see and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I will see you guys next time.